I'm going to show you how to do basically what I've done on my own website, where I pull the latest YouTube videos from my channel. And this is totally free. It's not using an integration. It's not even using an API actually. It's really simple. And once you kind of see how this works, it makes a lot of sense. So really what you're going to see is if you go to YouTube, and I'm on my channel right now, but if you click on this more section on their description, and we can go to another channel here in a second, but if you click on that to view all of the links, the description, the more info, all of that, which is all public, there's this share channel button and then copy channel ID. Let's go ahead and do that on a different channel. So this is another developer education channel. Same type of thing. You can click on more links or more, any of that. And you just need to view this section. And then you have share channel, copy channel ID. So we're going to go into our code here, and I'll explain how this code works in a second, but let's just go ahead and paste that channel in. And you're going to see that the server refreshed. I already had it running, and let's refresh. And there you go. We're pulling the latest YouTube videos from that channel, which is Dev Ed. So yeah, we're pulling the view count, we're pulling the date, we're pulling the title, we're even pulling the thumbnail. And the way that works is if you go back, I already have it set to log the URL, so you can actually like just get the URL. But if you go ahead and open that URL, you're going to see that it's youtube.com/feeds/videos.xml, and then channel ID, which is what we copied, and then his channel ID. And this is a public ID. There's nothing private about it. You don't even have to like put it in an environment variable or anything. You can just access that. And what this is an XML feed, which is, RSS feeds, those types of things. This is an RSS feed for that YouTube channel. And it includes a bunch of useful information, right? So it's got the URL to the YouTube video. It has the name of the author. It has the channel ID in there as well. And then it also has the thumbnails. And those thumbnails, if we go ahead and highlight one of those, copy it and paste, you're going to see that that is a thumbnail, right? And I've done a little bit of finagling on the thumbnails in this videocard.tsx component, where we can get a high resolution version of that image. We can get the WebP, we can get the max quality, the medium quality, and then the JPEG, same thing, max quality, medium quality. And those are just available URLs if you have the video ID. And we can get that video ID right in here. There's a little bit of fancy magic going on extracting the video IDs, extracting the titles, extracting the links, right? But these are pretty straightforward things to do with XML. And obviously you can use your favorite AI model and coding agent to do that. But that's really all it's doing, right? It's going in, it's fetching that URL, it's fetching the XML feed, and then it's extracting the XML from that to get the relevant information that we need. And this is all live, right? There is no limit on, there's probably a limit, but your website's not going to hit that URL so many times that it's going to get rate limited. And you could cache things if you did hit that point. If you had a super popular website, you could cache things so it doesn't hit that URL as often. Maybe it only does it like once a day or something like that. But yeah, this is a pretty sweet setup. And I use this on my own personal website, which is going to be getting an update here soon. But that's how it works, right? You could go to a different channel. Let's do that. Let's do like Casey Neistat. And it's a public ID, right? So you can click on there, scroll down, share channel, copy channel ID. And then we're going to go in and update that ID to Casey's and refresh. And there you go. You've got a active live list of the latest YouTube videos from Casey Neistat. You have view counts, you have the date that it was posted, which is super useful. And this just works on your website, right? Like you can just publish this, and because that server fetch is happening to get the data and then show it on the page, it's super fast. It's just a URL fetch at the end of the day, almost like an API, but it is not an API. It's just a public URL. So yeah, feel free to try it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the source code. And yeah, it's a sapling project. There's some other stuff in there if you want to play around with it. But really all you need is this fetch YouTube videos and then video card. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.